Hey guys, it's playtime. Today we have the Play-Doh Breakfast Cafe. It's exclusively from Toys R Us. Other terms for breakfast cafe is Regalo Matinal, Fábrica de Desayunos, and Café da Manhã. Alright, let's open it up so we can make Play-Doh breakfast. We got this big extruder on the side with a big plate in the middle. And we have the instruction. We have 4 cans of Play-Doh. We got white, and this can is a Play-Doh Plus. Blue. Yellow. And red. We got a yellow knife, a green plate. This one looks like a waffle maker or a waffle mold. And we have a blue spatula, a purple fork, and this is the molds part of the extruder. And here is our breakfast maker. It's a nice color breakfast maker. It's orange. The plate is gray. And this one is pink. And the extruder is red. On top of the extruder are molds. We have orange, raspberry, cantaloupe, banana, and strawberry. And on top of this waffle maker, we also have molds. Let's start making an egg. Just put a little Play-Doh in the middle as our egg yolk. And then let's get the white Play-Doh. We got an egg. And then let's make a hash brown using a yellow Play-Doh and little bits of red. We got a hash brown. It looks like a hash brown, but it also looks like corns. Next, we're gonna make waffle. Let's press this down. We got a waffle. Let's make another waffle using a blue Play-Doh. We got a blue waffle. Then let's make a red waffle. We got a red waffle. We got red waffle, yellow waffle, and a blue waffle. Let's make one more using a brown Play-Doh. This one looks realistic because it's brown. Now let us mold some fruits. Starting with strawberry. Let's make another one. And let's also mold 2 raspberries. banana. Let's make another banana. And then we still have some molds for orange. We have one slice of orange. Let's make another one. And cantaloupe. Let's make a hot dog or a sausage using this round shape. Let's open this up and load our Play-Doh here. And then let's push it. We got our pretend hot dog. We can also cut it. So we have two mini hot dogs. To make our bacon strips, let's slide this, and then we will mix red and white Play-Doh. We got 3 bacon strips. Let's load this up with a white Play-Doh so we can create a pretend whipped cream. let's put strawberry on top. You can also decorate with orange on the side and cantaloupe. Raspberry on top. Looks like our breakfast is complete and ready to serve. We have hash brown, we have egg, got hot dogs, we got bacon, slice of orange, strawberry, raspberry, croissant, and 2 bananas. Bon appetit! Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. And don't forget to subscribe. Have a good one.